Hey guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial part 4, and we're going to be learning about background color and image. We're going to be learning about how to put in a background color onto a website and how to put in a background image onto a website. So let's start doing some CSS on Sublime Text. So here we are on Sublime Text, and let's go through the first bit. So let's start doing some the background color. So if we just do, so as it's a background, so we could just type in body right here. Then here we just write background and color. So select that property from the drop down, and let's use a color picker for this bit. So if we just go on color picker right here, and then here we could just pick, let's do like a sort of like a light color. So I like it like green, then maybe like around here. Alright, so just copy this hex right here. So just copy that. So Control C, then paste onto it, then write a semicolon, then save it, then so refresh. So it'll be a blue background. And the reason why I have to keep going onto here, like it won't let me refresh. Like whenever I refresh, it doesn't come up with the right thing. So say if I just go on here, so say if I remove it right here, and remove all this actually right here. Then if I save it, then if I refresh onto here, it won't do anything. So that's the problem I'm having. So if you have the same problem, just go in it, just close it, go back on it, and it'll do it. So so let's just get that back right here. So background color, then just go back, and then use just use this, I guess. So C, then Control V, semicolon, go back, and here, right. So that's really good. So you could also, as always, you could also do the same thing with the header and a paragraph right here. So let's go on doing the background image as well. So let's just get rid of that right here, then save it. So let's go on Google, then search up like a background image. And if you go on images, then let's use sort of like a light color so it outstands the website. So we could use just write bright background images. Yeah, we could use this, or actually this one looks good. Alright, so if you just save image as, then go on desktop, then CSS course right here, then I'll make it a JPEG file. So if you just do bright background right here, and make sure you put in the same folder. So if you just save it, then get that out, then all you have to do is just write background image. So select the property from the drop down, then write URL, then you put in speech marks. So if we just go back on here, you go on the desk, actually we could just go on like that, then here you could see the bright background right here. So we named it bright background, and we done it as a JPEG file. So type in bright background .jpg. So if you just save that, then go back on here, then refresh, then so it should be a sort of like the same design as this one right here. So so that it looks really good right here. So we could even use a different image as well. So let's go back on Google, do the same thing. So just background. So let's just type in background image for now, then choose this one, I guess. Then if we save image as, go back to the same thing, and we know it's a JPEG folder. So if we just try another bright image, then save that, then if we go another bright image, then if we write .jpg. So if we just save that, then go back on here, then go on the index, and I'll probably need another bright image. So if we go back, here's a JPEG. Oh, .jpeg. Oh, so if we just .j things like this, then so if we go back, it should, yeah. So yeah, we are right here. It'll be the same background as we selected from Google. So yeah, so that's finished. So we went through the background color and background images, and we went through a couple of the background and putting it onto a browser. So let's go on to the CSS questions. So here are the CSS questions. So for number 1, what is the line we have to write to insert our background image? Number 2, what's the same line of code for background images similar to HTML? And what's something new we learned about today? So what's new we learned about today? So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. So let's go into the answers. So number 1, background image dot URL, then the image right here. Number 2, yes, and number 3, how to insert background image onto a browser. So hopefully you got all of those correct. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these. Thank you.